First star about second. Seconds information you have to pass. Second one minute, third one hour, fourth one day of month. Day of month. Hussein, start చేశారా? హలో స్టార్ట్ చేశారు చేశారు. Day of month. Next one month of year. Last one weekday. Weekday is Saturday, Sunday, 3-letter style or 0 to 7. But interesting is 0 to 7, not 0 to 6. So here you can use 0 for Sunday or 7 for Sunday. 0 or 7 represents Sunday, guys. Month range is 1 to 12. Date is 1 to 31. Hour range is 0 to 23. 0 to 23. Minute range is 0 to 59. Second range is 0 to 15. Apart from this, you can also use these special symbols. We'll discuss the importance of those special symbols. Allowed symbols, star, slash, comma, question mark, hyphen, LW, @ hash. These are the special symbols that are allowed. These are the special symbols that are allowed. Okay. In all versions, these are there. From Spring 5.3 onward, these special letters also allowed, guys. Star means any, all, every. Slash means to specify period of time. Whenever you want to work with period of time, slash. Comma to specify possible list of values. Hyphen to specify range of values. Question mark, anything. But this question mark can be used only in two places. Last one and fourth one. Can be used only in date. Date means third one, fourth one, guys. And week, date, and weekday, last sixth one, fourth and sixth. When month is specified. A question mark cannot be used everywhere. Question mark can be used this. L for to specify last days. Last third day of month, fourth day of month, that kind of. W to specify weekday info. First Thursday, second Thursday kind of thing. @ ready-made macros are there. @ yearly, @ hourly, @ monthly, @ daily. They are ready-made macros. Okay, guys. Hash symbol as a combination symbol, guys. To combine multiple things, that is there, guys. And I have not stopped everyone. All are allowed to join. No restriction to join. Chittaranjan. Happily people are joining. No restriction is kept to join in the meeting. Okay, as a combination symbol, guys. Combination symbol, guys. To specify expression we need to use. We'll see one by one. Okay, guys. To specify cron expression, we need to use cron attribute of @ scheduled annotation. That's great. Examples of point of time. Point of time means what, guys? It is not about specifying the time gaps, guys. Okay. It says on particular time it should execute, right? Once in a while, mostly one time, but sometimes once in a while, or specific time, guys. See, guys, I kept this 15 5 stars. What's the meaning of this? Here no time gaps are specified, but 15 5 stars. Point of time is not against of repetition of task, guys. But gap will not be specified, but it will go by what? It will go by what? On particular, in particular second of particular minute or particular day of particular month, like that. The task can be repeated. It's not like that. What's the meaning of this? When you write like this, please try to understand. Okay. When you write like this, don't read it. First try to see the sound. Total how many stars are? Six are there. But right now, how many stars are kept? Five are kept. And in the place of second, 15 is kept. So, what's the last, after second star, what's the next star? Minute. Remaining all are star na? What's the meaning of that? Star means what? Every. So last star is what? Minute. So every minute of, every hour of, every day of, every month of, every weekday. So meaning last star meaning is what? Minute. So every minute at 15th second. Every minute at 15th second task will execute. It is not executing task for having 15 seconds gap, guys. In every minute at 15th second, it means in every minute at 15th second, that means point of time only. In every minute at 50, at that particular second only, task will execute. It is not executing task for every 15 second, wrong. It is executing task on every 15th second of every minute. On 15th second of every minute. I think you got it. It's looking like a point of time only now. Okay, for example, 9 o'clock. 9 1 15th second, 9 2 15th second. See, point of time is not against of repetition of task, but it will not. We don't specify gap. We specify particular time to execute. Array loop is point of time is not once in a while is also there. Please, 9 4 15 like this. Okay, let's feel it practically, guys. Yeah, exact time, exact time. In that exact time, repetition may be there. See, every hour, 10th minute, repetition will be there. But point of time, say. Yes, guys. Yeah. Let's go for what expression, guys? Cron expression. Oh, 20th second, every minute, every hour, every day, every month, having any. See, in new version of Eclipse, this dynamic message is coming, boss. This is very beautiful one. Every minute at 20th second. When you write, you will get the meaning. You should appreciate Eclipse people for this. You must appreciate Eclipse people for that, guys. Okay. Right, guys. Is it not really interesting, my dear? Okay. In new versions of Eclipse, that is happening, guys. Yeah, see, right now, application started living. That's not a big thing. Okay, 7:45, right? Okay. 7:45, you keep the clock. You keep the clock. 2 times, 2 minutes, we'll see. Indian IST clock. IST clock. Yeah. Yeah. This is 12th second, 13, 13, 15 over, guys. But you can see the message. Report generated on first time came na. Okay, we'll wait for 1 more minute. Yeah. One more time the message has come now, my dear. Yes. Are you able to see it now, my dear? Fine. Yeah. Anyone can write. Anyone can write. Okay. Can you write this one? Every hour at 10th minute. Every hour at 10th minute. Want to generate message at particular time, not every time. Arey, that is particular time only, ra, Hanu. Hanu, my dear. Hanu, that is a particular time only. That's why it is called point of time. Since it is repeating, every minute, it is looking like a loop for you. Suppose you make that one as yearly once. It looks like one time only. You make it weekly once. It looks like one time only. Since I made it every minute, it looking like a repeating. Use brains, Rana. Brains know some smart thinking. Repeating. I don't know why you people keep brain here and there while attending classes. Focus, my dear. Okay, what I said, guys. Task should repeat every hour at the 10th minute. Task should repeat every hour at 10th minute. Every hour at 10th minute means why 10 is there in second section, ra? No brains, my dear. And why are you keeping your answers in everyone mode? Can't you write your answer in private mode? Karthik, I said every hour 10th minute, and why 10 is there in seconds area? No, don't use brains, sir. Completed engineering. First star for second, second star for minute. 10 should be there minimum in the minute area, na? Every hour 10th minute, right? Guys, if you are not serious about learning, get out. But minimum common sense, if you don't use, how we can teach the better? I'm saying every hour 10th minute and people are still putting 10 in second section. This is what you are listening in the classes, right? Sorry to say. If you're not serious, get out, but don't waste my time like this. Yeah. Yeah. People are writing 10 in minutes section. That's good. But why are you writing star in second section? If you write star in second section, what's the meaning of that? You only observe. You're indirectly saying in the 10th minute, every second also task should execute, na? So that's why there should not be star, my dear. Okay, this is leave it. Okay, right now we are in 7:15. Okay. So I have to see task executing at least one time, right? In this hour. So what is the question is here 0, here is 10. Here 0. Every hour at the 10th minute. Every hour at the 10th minute. This is correct. But what mistake people are doing, they are keeping star. What's the meaning of that? In every hour, 10th minute of every second. In every hour, 10th minute of every second. That means 10th minute, each second task will execute. That means total 60 times executes in every 10th minute. In first hour, 10th minute, 60 times. Second hour, 10th minute, 60 times. Third hour, 10th minute, 60 times. But you want only one time. Then you have to mention specific second, na? Every hour at a minute 10. Suppose every star, every second at a minute 10 of every hour. Okay, I think you got it. So that's why I don't throw the words like cron, everything matters. In cron, everything matters. But we already crossed the 10th minute in 7 a.m. So 10, we cannot practically feel it. At least can we feel 54? Can we feel 54? Okay. In 7th hour, 54th minute, we can feel practically now, my dear. Run as Java. So right now we are in 7:52. Wait until 7:54 triggers. Okay. Meanwhile, can you write one cron expression? Can you write one cron expression? Okay. Task should execute every month. Every month, first 10 o'clock. Task should execute. You cannot write 00. You have to write 0 only. Task should execute every month first 10 o'clock. Every month first 10 o'clock. Can you write cron expression for that? Array, when you are writing numbers, space, maintain spaces, Naina. Muddy fellows. Why are you writing zeros one back to back? No spaces, Why are you behaving like a kids, Compared to kids are better. Okay, guys. Now listen. Go there. What is the task I have given? Copy this, paste it. On every month 10 o'clock. Every month first 10 o'clock. 10 second. 0 is second. Minute also 0. Hour is 10. Okay. Hour is 10. Day is first. Day is first. Okay. Yeah. At 10 a.m. of. Yeah. At 10 a.m. of. At one day. At 10 a.m. of one day. See, second minute, hour, day. Second minute, hour, day. This is month. This is weekday. Any weekday, no problem. But every month first. Every month first has come now, my dear. Okay, guys. Yeah, next one. Wish me happy Independence Day on every year. Every year, August 15th at 10 o'clock. Wish me happy Independence Day every year, August 15th at 10 o'clock. Write cron expression for that. Please write cron expression for that. August 15th. August 15th, 10 o'clock. Get the rate schedule. Cron is equal to 10 o'clock, I said. 0 minute, 0 second. 10 o'clock. What is the date? 15th. What is the month? 8. Start. 10 a.m. at the 15th day at August month. Right? Okay, last one, guys. In this model, last one. Wish me. I think now things are getting in control. Wish me happy birthday on every October 20. Wish me happy birthday on every October 20. At morning 7:30 a.m. At morning 7:30 a.m. At morning 7:30 a.m. I think initially you might have felt a bit heavy. Now it is easy now, boss. 7:30, 08 second, 30th minute, 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. 20th date, 10th month. At 7:30 at 20 day at October month. October month, right? Okay, guys. Now tell me. Okay, guys. Now listen. Task should execute. Task should execute 10th minute of 9th hour or 12th hour. 9th hour or 12th hour. 10th minute of 9th hour or 12th hour, not remaining hours. Task should execute 9th hour or 12th hour. This range possibility can be separated using comma symbols, guys. Possibility can be placed using comma symbol. Check it out. At the rate scheduled. Cron is equal to. What is there? Task should execute 9th hour or 12th hour. 9th hour, 12th hour. When I don't mention. See, we can mention yearly. Every 4 years, every 5 years, not possible. Every 4 years, every 5 years, not possible. Max, monthly, yearly, that's it. Okay, guys. And when I don't mention seconds and minutes, 00. That's for sure. What is the hour range? Our 9 comma 12. Ninth hour, 12th hour of every month, every day, every month, any weekday at 9 and 12 hours. Happily meaning is coming na boss. So comma is list of possible values. Comma is list of possible values. Okay, same thing idea. I'm asking one more style. Task should execute at 12th minute of 9th hour, 10th hour, 11th hour, 12th hour. Task should execute at 12th minute of 9th hour, 10th hour, 11th hour, 12th hour. Okay, guys. 9th hour, 10th hour, 12th hour. You will mention four commas, you will use hyphen symbol. You will use four commas, you will use hyphen symbol to specify range. It's better to specify range by using hyphen symbol. What is the minute I asked for 12th minute? What is the minute I asked for 12th minute? What is the minute I asked for 12th minute, right? At 12th minute, at 12th minute of every hour between 9 a.m. to 9 and 12, 9 and 12. Array, instead of mentioning 9, 10, 12, 11, 12 using commas, it's better to specify through hyphen symbol. Hyphen is there to specify range of values. Okay, guys. Next one. Wish me, wish me on January 1st, only if it is Sunday. Wish me January 1st, 10 o'clock, only if it is Sunday. Wish me on January 1st, only if it is Sunday. Ten o'clock, 10 o'clock. Cron. At the rate scheduled cron. 10 o'clock. Minute. Okay, minute 0. Hour 10. Month 1. Month 1. Sunday. At 10 at one day. At 10 at 10 at one day at Sunday. Okay, here also one. Yeah, check it out. At 10 at one day at January month at Sunday. At January month Sunday. We've been why comma after 10? Don't keep comma after 10. Is that right, guys? Okay, guys. Yeah, if you don't want to write, if you don't want to write Sunday like this, you can write 0. You can write 0. 0 or 7 for Sunday, guys. 0 or 7 for Sunday. You can write in words, you can write this. Okay, guys. Now, next one. But that's up to you. Okay. Now, next one more requirement I am giving, guys. I'm giving one more requirement. Wish me, wish me at 5 p.m. Execute the task at 5 p.m. every day, every day from Friday, from Thursday to Saturday. Every day from Thursday to Saturday. Execute the task at 5 p.m. from Thursday to Saturday. 5 p.m. 0th second, 0th minute, 5 p.m. in 17. You have to write 17. 24 hours format you have to follow. Okay, guys. No date particular. Date can be anything. Month can be anything. But when it comes to weekday, EHU to Thursday to Saturday, right? Thursday to Saturday. Or you can write in numbers also. 4 to 7. I think 4 to 6. 4, 5, 6. 17th at 17 every day between Thursday and Sunday. Between Thursday and Saturday. Between Thursday and Saturday. You don't want to write like this, you can write like this. 4 and 6. Earlier I need to show practically, but now not required. Here message is coming clearly, right? Compared to earlier, now learning has become easy. Thanks to Eclipse people, guys. Thanks to Eclipse people, right, boss? Okay, now listen. Task should execute. Task should execute every minute of evening 6 p.m. Task should execute every minute of evening 6 p.m. every day. Every minute of evening 6 p.m. That too every day. Task should execute every minute of evening 6 p.m. That too every day. We are still writing 6. I will murder you. 6 p.m. I said. 6 p.m. means you have to use 18. Did I say every minute or every second also? Every minute only. I did not say every second, right? Listen, listen. Don't excite. While writing cron, you have to take 1 minute gap. At least 30-second gap before you frame. Yeah. Did I say every second? No. 0th second. I said every minute star. Every means star. What is the hour I said? 6 p.m. 18. Of every day, na? Every day. Every month, yes. Any weekday, any weekday. Every minute at 18th hour. Every minute at 18th hour. It's working or not working on my dear? Range is covered. Can you execute task only for one time using scheduling? Not possible using schedule annotation because all setup is given for repeated executions. All setup is given repeated execution. Farhan, Ryan, attend the class, Ryan. And serious class is going on. Today class is till what time? What day, fellow? And if you want to disable scheduling, just comment enable scheduling, right? Okay, guys. In cron expression, we can use question mark symbol in the place of star symbol for day of month and weekday. Day of month and weekday, right? Array, when you want to stop scheduled task, when you want to stop, you have to stop the application. Otherwise, there's no question of stopping the scheduled task. Okay. Yeah. Execute task on any weekday of October month at 10 a.m. Array, in the place of star, you can use question mark symbol. There's no special meaning for question mark symbol, guys. Okay, but this question mark symbol can be used only in what? Day and weekday. Day and weekday, except that. Day and weekday, guys. Are you getting my point? Only that is the only thing. We'll see that. Okay, guys. Now listen. Execute the task any day of month. Any day of month. If it is Tuesday. Execute the task any day of month at 10 a.m. if it is Tuesday. Write the expression, guys. Execute the task any day of month if it is Tuesday. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Okay. When it is 0, hour is 10. Okay. Day, no, any star and question mark one and the same. But only the condition is weekday should be Tuesday. Weekday should be at 10 a.m. at Tuesday. So every Tuesday it is executing. Why question mark symbol, guys? Why question mark symbol? Star and question mark, anything you can use. But question mark is allowed only in the day and weekday. Only in the day and weekday. Except that, nothing great in that. But whatever I talked so far, all these are what, guys? Period of time or point of time? Point of time. But we need to worry about period of time also. Period of time means all about mentioning gaps, na boss? It's all about mentioning gaps. Okay. How to mention the gaps? Gaps can be mentioned having slash symbol. The gaps can be mentioned having gaps slash symbol. Okay, guys. Spring Boot scheduling using cron expression, period of time. For this, we can place slash symbol in every part of cron expression except weekday place. Except last weekday, in remaining all places, slash symbol can be mentioned. Start at this time having this gap. Start at this time having this gap. Okay, let's start with a simple thing, guys. Task should execute every minute 0.8 second, but from there 10 seconds gap. Every minute 0.8 second, from there 10 seconds gap. Task should execute every minute 0 second, but from there it should repeat for every 10 seconds. Array 0/10 in you are writing in minute area. It will repeat for every 10 minutes, na? Because I said should repeat for every 10 seconds gap. 10 seconds I said. 10 seconds gap I said, not 10 minutes gap, right? At the rate scheduled, cron is equal to at the rate scheduled, cron is equal to should start with just 0.8 second every minute, every hour, every day, every month, any weekday. But should repeat for every 10 seconds. Okay, 0/10. Array, every minute at 0.8 second, the task will start, but we'll repeat for every 10 seconds. So indirectly every 10 seconds numbers. Indirectly it will repeat for every 10 seconds now, my dear. So now time gap is specified or not? The time gap is specified happily here or not? See, basically start at 0th second, but it will follow the rhythm, guys. Okay, 40. Now 50th is again 50th, again 0th. Next minute 0. Again 10. Easy, guys. Slash. It's all up. Time gaps is slash plus. Okay, guys. Okay, now can you write one more thing like this? Okay, I'll ask you right. Task should start every day 10 o'clock and should repeat for every 2 minutes. Task should start every day at 10 o'clock. And the same effect we can get through point of time also, but now you think in period of time mode. Same effect you can get in point of time also, but you repeat in period of time. Few things you can bring, few effects you can bring in both models. Task should start every day at 10 o'clock and should repeat for every 2 minutes. Task should start every day at 10 o'clock and should repeat for every 2 minutes. First starting you catch what start time. 10 o'clock I said. Okay, I said 10 o'clock. Yeah, minute is 0, hour is 10. Okay, 10 o'clock. But should repeat for every 2 minutes. Slash. Should repeat for every 2 minutes. That's it. Every 2 minutes at 10th. Right, my dear? Okay. Now let me ask. The task should start every month first and should repeat for every 3 days. In the place of 0, how can you place star ra? Don't place star ra, Babu. Star means again every second, na? Start time should be very clear, my dear. Okay. Task should start every month first at 10 o'clock, but should repeat for every 3 days. But should repeat for every 3 days. Every month the first task should start. At the rate scheduled, cron is equal to 10 o'clock. Okay. 10 o'clock we kept. That's fine. First also we kept. Repeat for 3 days. At 10 every 3 days. At 10 every 3 days. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. One time execute. February 29th, you can mention, boss. No problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Someone asked February 29. Task should repeat only on February 29th. Write the cron expression for it. No, you write the period of time or point of time or your wish. Task should repeat only on February 29th. I think for that one point of time is enough. Since you asked, I am going to that one. Yeah. A time, time, if I don't give time, 10 o'clock. You assume 10 o'clock. At the rate scheduled, cron is equal to cron is equal to 0010 every day, each month, second month, 29th date, second any weekday. At 10 a.m., 29 day at February month. Okay, in weekday you can give question mark also. Yeah. Okay, what is the meaning of this, guys? What's the meaning of this? Okay, I write now. I'll put reverse order, guys. I'll put reverse order. Instead of you asking to write, I'll write something and you explain the meaning. 10 by 30, 1 by 20. And remaining all are star star. Anu, I'll murder you. After listening these many hours, you are asking. It follows 24 hours or that 12 hours. Anu, why don't you jump into the drainage? Ra? After me, right? Anu, last warning. You are not at all in the class. Sorry to say this. At this time, he is asking you. It is following 24 hours of what? Shameless fellow. Earlier 6 p.m. means how much I have written, right? 18, huh? 5 p.m. means what I have written, right? 17. Now you are asking me, is this following 24 hours or 12 hours? Why are you attending classes, ra? Waste fellows. No seriousness, nothing. After listening entire Ramayana is asking Sita is a girl or boy. Have you got the engineering degrees, ra? Waste fellows. Sorry, boss. This attitude I don't entertain. Now this slowly is asking, sir, time 12 hours format attend. That means he is not at all in the class from last half an hour. Have you got engineering degrees, Ra? Corona batches, Corona engineers. Sorry, I'm not against of you people asking question. I'm worried about the way you are asking questions. After seeing multiple examples of 24 hours format, is asking 12 hours sir, 24 hours sir. That means is not at all there. His brain is not there in the classroom. Just taken birth to waste parents' energy. Yeah, what's the meaning of this, guys? A task will happen, task will start. When it will start? It will start. It will start every hour. Every hour, first minute. Every hour, first minute will start. Every hour, first minute it will start and it will repeat First minute, 30th second, right? And also will repeat 20th minute having 30 seconds gap. Every 30 seconds, every 20 minutes. That means, tell me, first minute it will execute 0th second, 30th second it will execute. Then again it will wait for 20th minute, that also it will execute. In first minute, 0th second, 30th second. Again, 20th minute, 0th second, 30th second. Next, 40th minute, 0th second, 30th second. Got it, guys? Okay, guys. Now, suppose I have written like this, guys. For suppose I have written like this, then what happens? Okay, nowadays actually all stars I can. Then the task will execute every second now, my dear. If I write like this, it indicates the task will execute every second because everywhere star is there. Every second, every minute, every hour. So the task will execute every second. Okay, let's feel this one. Every second the task is executing or every second the task is executing. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Look at this expression. 4 by 5, 9 by 10, 10. Okay, how to look at this? How to look at this? Don't confuse. Don't confuse yourself. Total 6 stars, guys. 3 stars are there. Here 3 numbers are there. First try to find out start time. Okay, what is a 3 star? Second, minute, hour. So hour up to the number. This one, next one, day. Every day, 10 a.m., 9th minute, 4th second. Task will start. 10 a.m., 9th minute, 4th second, task will start. Yes, my dear? And when repetition, right? Every 5 seconds of 9th minute, the task will repeat. Every 5 seconds of 9th minute, the task will repeat. After that, having 10 minutes gap, every 5 seconds, the task will repeat. So that means, now listen, 10, 9, 4, 10, 9, 9, 10, 9, 14. After that, gap of 10 seconds, 10 minutes, gap of 10 minutes, 10, 19, 4, 10, 19, 9. Again, gap of 10 seconds, 10 minutes, 10, 29, 4, 10, 29, this. I hope you are understanding, guys. Once again, check it out. Once again, when you got this kind of thing, how to look at it? How to look at it? First, find out starting time. First, find out starting time. 3 stars, 3 numbers are there. Okay, first star meaning is what? Second, minute, day. So that means every day. Second, minute, hour. This is day. Every day. Second, minute, hour, right? This is day. Every day. At what hour? Starting time. 10th hour, 9th minute, 4th second. 10, 9, 4 is the starting. Is clear? Okay. In that 9th minute, for every 5 seconds, it will repeat now. This is covered. After that, once again, and it will repeat, having 10 minutes gap. In the 10th, after getting 10 minutes, 19th minute habit, it has become. Then again 5 seconds gap it will execute. That's again 10 minutes gap. In that minute, after every 5 seconds, the task will repeat or not. Array, in 4 by 5, 4 is starting second, 5 is the time gap. 9 by 10, 9 is the starting minute. Okay, 10 is the gap. Again. I'll murder you again going to basics. First one is start, second one is gap. First one is start, second one is gap. I hate people who don't. How many times that second gap repeated? It's infinite. It's infinite, boss. Okay, guys. Okay. Now you write in period of time. Period of time, guys. Every 3 months, evening 7 p.m. account statement should come. Every 3 months, evening 7 p.m. bank account statement should come. Every 3 months, evening 7 p.m. bank account statement should come. You should repeat the task like this. Guys, respond. Why are you not writing? Every 3 months, I said, period of time. I want you people to write in period of time. I want you people to write in period of time. Period of time in slash is compulsory. You can write in point of time also. But I want you people to write in period of time. Month is 1 to 12, 0 to 12. At the rate scheduled, cron is equal to, I said 7 p.m. 0th second, 0th minute. 7 p.m. means how much, guys? 7 p.m. means 19. 19. Day can be any day. Day can be any day. Month, starting with the first month, 3 months. Weekday can be anything. At 19th hour of every 3 months. At 19th hour of every 3 months. Or in the place of question mark, stars also can be used. In the place of question mark, stars also can be used. Not a problem. Yeah. Earlier, listen, before this facility in Eclipse IDE, we used to use some website to write the cron expression, but nowadays not required. Why? In the place of 1, can we use 0? Sheikh Muhammad, why I should not scold you, tell me first. Sheikh, month range is what? Mr. Sheikh, month range is what? 1 to 12. Right? Month range is what? 1 to 12. Then how can you write 0, ra? No common sense, Sheikh? And moreover, how can you write 0 to 12? You are saying 13 months are there? But fellows. No basics listening, wild guesses. This shows how seriously you are focusing on the subject listening. Okay, guys. And listen, nowadays Eclipse itself giving the meaning now. Earlier Eclipse was not giving such meaning. At that time, not mentioning days, months, can we give year? First of all, year is there in Quran expression as Srinivas. Year mentioning is there in the Quran expression as Srinivas. Why Srinivas? Why are you not listening class properly? Srinivas, in out of six stars, in six star, is there any word regarding year? Then why are you wasting my time and your time? So not mentioning days, months, can we give year in execution entire next year? You only should understand your question. Ramadevi, 7 p.m. means why 19? Madam Ramadevi, madam, please join LKG, UKG classes or at least 5th class, 6th class classes, madam. 7 p.m. means why 19 you are asking me. And I am giving explanation for an engineer. Ramadevi, madam, show some mercy on people, madam. When 5 p.m. is 17, 7 p.m. means what, madam? When 5 p.m. is 17, when 5 p.m. is 17, you agreed. 6 p.m. 18, you agreed. 7 p.m. means what, madam, then? You are claiming yourself as engineering. I am teaching spring for you. Sorry. Please don't blame software industry when you don't get the jobs. With this kind of mindset, don't expect jobs, please. Sorry to say, you agreed 5 p.m. means 17, 6 p.m. means 18. Now you are asking me 7 p.m. means why 19? And I'm giving serious explanation for that. Engineers, Rahul, all these are running in computer application. If our system is down, laptop is down, our server is down, how task will run, Rahul Singh? You and your question. Without computer, computer should work. Without computer, computer application should work, Rahul. Great fellow. Another wonderful question of the day. You get the Rahul question. Sir, should the task skip if system is offline? Mr. Srinivas, starting time is not there in our control. Starting time is not there. Year control is not there with us, Srinivas. Year is not there. When year is not there, how can you mention particular year? Okay, guys. There's a website called crontab. What is there? Crontab.guru. Earlier, I used to give this website, guys. Earlier, I used to give this website. To you write some Quran expression, get the meaning. But this is 5 star. This is 5 star based one. Suppose your second is not there. Your second is not there every minute. But nowadays not required. In the new eclipse, do you really require this? In new eclipse, do you really require this support, guys? Okay, Sunday. Every minute on Sunday. 10 by 10. Every 10th minute from 10 through 59. Do you really require nowadays? Because eclipse itself increased. Eclipse itself improved, right? That's the reason don't worry much on it. But I kept in the screenshot for reference base. I kept in the screenshot for reference purpose, guys. Okay. Now listen. New features of cron expression added from Spring 5.3, Spring Boot 2.4. Some macros has come, last days has come, weekdays has come, nth weekday has come. These are the new features that are added. Some more shortcuts kind of thing. More shortcuts kind of thing. Macros, guys. Macro means you need not write cron expression. So some words are there, you mention them. But I cannot show anything practically. Why? Because yearly, annually is there, monthly is there, weekly is there, daily is there, hourly is there. But minutely is not there. So you write like this, equivalent cron expressions will be generated internally. Equivalent cron expressions will be generated internally. Okay, guys. But in that one, minutely is not there, minimum hourly is there. So that's why we cannot feel practically, but let's try whether it's taking or not. At the rate hourly. I think for this eclipse is not giving any message, guys. But at the rate hourly, what it will do? On the top of hour means every hour at 0th second, 0th minute. 0th second, 0th minute, task will execute. 0th second, 0th minute, task will execute. Last days, guys. Next feature is what? Last days. Okay. See, guys, L can be used to represent last days. Last day of month at midnight. Okay. In the month place, you can use last days. This L can be used in two places, guys. Day and weekday. Day and weekday, we can use it. Day and weekday, you can use it. Yeah, tell me. L is used last working day. Not working day, sorry. It's last day. Last day. Last day of month. No, third working day. Last but 3. L minus 3. Last but 10. L minus 10. Day of month, day of week fields can contain L character, which has different meaning each field. In the day of month field, L stands from last day of month. If it is followed by negative offset, okay. Midday means 12 o'clock, Nara. Midday means 12 o'clock. Without knowing midday, you completed engineering as Srikanth. Midday, you know midnight, you don't know midday. Who awarded you engineering as Srikanth? You know midnight meaning? Salam, Rabba. Salam for your knowledge. Huh? Salam. Midnight, you know meaning. Midday, I have to explain. Governments are offering midday